In this video, I'll teach you how to make a return policy on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, head over in here in your settings on your left dashboard. And then from in there, you should be able to see your store right here. So you can also see there's another left dashboard right here. So scroll down on that until you can see this policies right. So click on policies, and then in here, you should be able to see this return policy, return rules, and all this right here, return refund policy right here. So what you can do is you can actually head over and turn on this return rules. And once it's been turned on, you can see that we have this return policy enabled. So you can actually manage the return, which is extended to 30 days. So if you head over and click on manage for that, you can see that you can put in your return window, for example, for 2 days. Return shipping costs, it can be flat rate return shipping, which is around in here or indicate the amount. They also have this restocking fee, and it can be on the final sale items that you have in here. So it will look like this. This is the return rule summary. After that, click on save on that. And then once you have enabled this, you should be able to see that this has been updated. So let's head back in here. And then from in there, when you scroll on, you can also have this return, and refund policy. So what you can do is you can actually just put in here a return refund policy. You can customize your one, but you can also create prompt template that they have, which is this one. So just head over and then just try to edit it out however you want. And then from in there, just head over and save this. Once it's been saved, we have now your return policy. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.